tastes like coffee. Real coffee from the hills of Colombia.
Okay, good. Hey, welcome to Eva's Coffee Break.
Hey,
It's Eva,
Eva.
and we got Jill.
Hello.
And over there we got Rafe.
And
Turn the camera around.
Wait a minute.
Around. Oh my God, there's Deb. No, wait.
Wait, hold on.
We need to get in on make sure we got you.
the red eye.
Look how good her eyes look with no sleep.
No sleep. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the boss here.
I don't know
Okay.
what to say. I don't have my
You can
notes.
describe our gambling fiasco.
Okay, we're sitting here at the Turning Stone. Actually, we're in the Emerald Restaurant where we're waiting for breakfast, praying for breakfast.
Yeah.
And we have coffee today,
We do. We have coffee. Everybody has coffee.
I'm a
Well, no.
traitor.
Okay.
but she's got caffeine.
But we have coffee. See.
She has caffeine.
Look at the visual aids.
Awesome.
Coffee.
Visual aids are good.
Yep. See. And here's other people that we haven't gotten permission to.
But
And
that's
here's our
okay.
waitress. Here's our waitress.
There's our waitress. Say hi. And she's like, oh, get me the fuck out of here.
Who are these people? What? That's mine. Unless she
Swearing on
wants some
camera.
of it. We got a little grapefruit juice action here. Okay, what are we going to say? We lost a lot of money.
Yeah, we came here and donated so that
Yeah.
they could build a new wing of the casino.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Actually,
And-
it started off, Jill and I donated so that Deb could win.
Yes, I was up for a long time. I was up
Way up.
$280. I had $280.
Yeah.
Blew that.
Yeah.
And then I had, I should turn the camera around so I'm talking to it. That's right.
Here. Here. We're going to switch hosts. Hang on. There we go. There's Deb.
So I should have stopped at 280, but then that would have been like 15 minutes into the day. So I kept going. I lost that fortune. I was playing for a tattoo. I've been jonesing for a new tattoo. So it's not going to happen anytime soon unless I win the lottery or something. So then I got up to like 120 bucks today and then blew that. Because you always think you could win just a little bit more. Anyway, gambling, it's not for sissies.
Okay, I gotta tell you people, and I'm gonna stay right on Deb. Deb is in a cone of silence because she's a non-smoker. But you notice it's not working.
What do you mean it's not working? I don't have enough.
Oh!
I have a new ring. My anniversary. My
I don't know where your Zoom
anniversary.
is, so I'll just go there.
My anniversary present.
Turn your
from-
hand so that no, not the bottom.
Let's see, here.
No, I meant hold it like
Hold it like what? You
this.
hold it. Oh, okay.
There.
There we go.
Isn't that awesome? She bought that at the casino.
I did. I actually got something for some
And-
money
And why did you buy this?
because
What was-
it was our anniversary on Saturday, so this was Rafe's anniversary present to me that he didn't know about because where was he?
He was sleeping. Yeah,
That's right, he went-
Rafe was sleeping when he went shopping for the anniversary.
And I was sleeping off a headache.
Sleeping off a headache from losing money. No, he hadn't even
No, I haven't
gambled
even
yet.
lost money yet.
He hadn't gambled.
Oh, and
we
we-
weren't drinking. I think it was. I think it
video
was.
of him rolling a cigarette.
Oh, awesome.
Since we were talking about cigarettes, here he is. He's not rolling
I
a
think,
joint.
I
he's
think his
rolling a
headache
cigarette.
was. I think his headache was actually just from hanging out with 3 women.
Probably. I think he's probably ready to fall on his sword here. But anyway, so coffee break is a good idea to have. Rolling under pressure here.
Oh no.
It's a good thing I don't have to roll my cigarettes because I never smoke probably, which
That
might
would
be a good thing.
idea.
Oh, look, he's eating it. Nope, he's licking it.
See? He tried to get Taz to lick
Chewing
it.
tobacco.
Yeah,
There you go.
chewing tobacco.
They're really messy. You get
It's
it
not
in
the
your
wacky backy though.
No, it's not.
It's not, no.
No.
It's whatever kind that is. American Spirit. How good. Here we're at the casino with the Native
That's right.
Americans and we're smoking American cigarette. American Spirit.
tobacco.
Anyway, that's about all I have to say.
Kind of
Oops.
getting back at us right now.
Cut you off.
We were drifting there.
Casinos
Look
and
at
tobacco.
We have had way too much fun.
Yes, we have. This
And our,
has been a
and
blast.
our rooms were complimentary because we've lost so much money. They took pity on us, and our rooms were beautiful. And I'll splice in some footage of the rooms because I did get that. And I
Oh,
got
did
some-
you? Awesome.
I did, and I got the shower.
Well, I'm such a good
didn't even get to-
YTer, I didn't even bring my video camera.
Yeah.
I did bring her still camera.
I carried
but
mine with me.
I didn't pull it out of the suitcase.
I was going to pull it out and like take pictures of us losing, which would have been nice.
Yeah.
Or winning. I could
Winning
have showed
would have
me
been
winning
awesome
and
if
then
we'd
cut out
actually-
the losing.
we didn't win, so you wouldn't have gotten any footage of
They don't
us.
allow you to actually film in the casino area.
Oh, they don't?
No.
Oh well, they haven't
Look
stopped.
at the pretty lights. Those are the
The
pretty
light
lights.
fixtures are awesome.
You
I love the
actually,
light fixtures.
you should go into the casino and get the ceiling.
Yep, and get the blue.
Can you get it from outside the casino?
You can get it from outside of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, show the ceiling.
Yeah.
It's an awesome casino. It is.
It is. It's a really
massive.
beautiful casino, and the people
Yeah.
are very nice, and they take good care of you here. Except they don't give you enough money
Right.
because I don't have a tattoo now.
That's right.
I
And
know. In fact, I blew a lot of money that I could have put in a savings account and not earned shit for it, but I would have had the money and saved for my tattoo.
Okay, so are we gonna call this a break? And
We are going to call this a coffee break,
no, I meant end.
and we're going to call this an end.
We're gonna call this an end to the
coffee
to the
break.
End
coffee
to the
break.
coffee break.
I don't know how I normally end.
Here, I don't know.
That's all.
Take.
Oh no, that's
No,
it. That's all. That's Papa
That's
Rock.
Papa Rock. You can't say that's it at
We
all.
can't take Papa Rock's ending.
You see, Dr. Max and Mambo the Clown used to say, play it safe, take it easy, and I don't know what they said, but that was the children's
And I'm going to tell you to
television.
take it any way you can get it. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for joining us.
Here we go.
Close the bar, we go down to
Yum.
a bar at the bottom of the hill.
Eva's having a bagel.
Don't even bitch
Jill's
about my
having
butter.
lunch, roast beef.
Yeah, we're
Rafe's having the Spanglish,
we're
whatever
different
that
times
is.
of day at this
Sandwich.
table.